today I'm going to be making bubble wrap slime. So let's get started. So first I'm using clear bottles of glue. I'm just using the little ones and the clear. Now we're going to add the borax. It's already turning into slime. The stuff that makes the glue like slimy is the borax and the water. Pretty cool. And you want to try to add as much as borax as you can, but not too much, because you want the beads to stick on the slime. And you can make it not sticky, and you just put the beads inside, and it's okay if some falls, because you can sweep it with the broom. So now I'm going to add the beads. Now I'm going to stir with my hands. I'll need it.
There you go. Good job.
I watched lots of videos with It's really, really sticky. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and this is what it sounds like. Sounds like bubble wrap, kind of. These are falling out. It's really, really cool.
Show them close up.
But it's really sticky. See you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe.